Good morning, boys and girls. Do you remember our story, The Wheels on the Bus? Do you remember how Grandma Joanna and Jenny planned to get home? That's correct. They chose or they planned to get home by bus, but what did they how did they choose to get home instead? By taxi because they had missed the bus. So, today we are going to talk and I've already written down some words for different ways that we can travel. So the title of our chart is Ways to Travel. And what's the first way? By bus. That's correct. Just like in the story, the wheels on the bus. B-U-S, bus. Okay, so our second way to travel is by taxi. T-A-X-I, taxi. Now, these are two ways that you can travel by road. A car is another way to travel by road. C-A-R, car. Other ways that you can get around in big cities, one other way is by taking the subway. S-U-B-W-A-Y. Subway. It's a train that goes under the ground. And then you could take the train, T-R-A-I-N, train. You can take a trolley, T-R-O-L-L-E-Y, a trolley. You can ride a bike. We like to do that around here a lot, don't we? A bike, B-I-K-E, bike. You can ride a motorcycle, M-O-T-O-R-C-Y-C-L-E, motorcycle. You can take your scooter, S-C-O-O-T-E-R. And now we are going to look at some ways that we can travel through air and by water. So the first way is by boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Another way we can travel, can you see it? By air is by airplane. A-I-R-P-L-A-N-E, airplane. And our last way to travel that I have on this chart is helicopter. You can fly in a helicopter. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. Have you ever ridden in a helicopter before? So here are some ways to travel. You might think of other ways that you can get around. If you think of them, go ahead and draw a picture of them. But what I want you to do, you will be writing about ways to travel. What is your favorite way to travel? So think about it and look at this list. And I want you to write a sentence that starts like this. I can go for a ride in a, and then you will fill in that blank with one of these words on the chart. Or if you think of another way to travel, you can use that word instead. Make sure you get somebody to help you, okay? Don't forget your period at the end of your sentence. And don't forget your capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. So thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later.